In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your profile on the wiki. First, click on your name and you will see this page, which is the dashboard page. Then you need to click on Account. When you're in the Account page, the first thing you need to do is change the language to English. The next thing you're going to do is to change your profile picture. Your profile picture can be a photo of yourself, something you're interested in, or an avatar that you've created. But make sure that it's appropriate. To add your picture, click Change. Then select your picture and upload. Here you can preview your full image. If you're happy with your picture, click Save. And now you will see your picture in your account. Now it's time to write your profile. Your profile is a description of yourself. You must include your name, your age, where you live, your interests, favourite music, favourite subjects, favourite things, family, pets, and any other interesting information. To create your profile, you need to go to Profile in the menu. Then click on Edit. Now you can type your information. In your profile, you must add at least one link. The link can be to a website, a map, a video, or a photo. Watch the video tutorial on how to insert a link in Wikispaces. Now it's time to add an image. To add an image, click on File. You can add a file from your computer or your device, or you can add an image from the internet. To add an image from the internet, find your image and then click Copy Address. Add the address and then click Load. You will see the image appear below. Click on the image and it will appear in your profile. If you're happy with your image, click Save. Use the Edit button to make any changes. Use the checklist to check that your profile is complete. Did you include a profile picture, a description of yourself, one link, and an image? When you've finished, send me a direct message on the wiki and I will reply with your mark. To send a direct message, you have two options. The first option is to click on the image of the person you want to send a message to. And then click Send Message. Their name will appear here in the To box. Don't change this information. The second option is to click in your messages box, in Inbox, and Compose. Then you will need to type the person's username. Finally, type your subject, your message, and send. Now it's time to get creating.